Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And for today, I'm going to show you how to use an easy Canva gradient text effect and how to make one yourself. So we're going to start off by creating a new design on Canva. So on the Canva website homepage, on the upper right corner, click on Create New Design to start off with a new blank canvas. The first thing we're going to do with this blank canvas is on the left-hand side, click on Elements, and on the search bar that pops up afterwards, let's search for different gradients to use. As you can see, Canva offers a whole slew of free gradients to use when editing to add to your photos. So go ahead and choose a gradient which you think looks really nice. I'm going to go with this very cool colored blue to purple gradient. So we want to expand this gradient to use as the background for our project. And the way to do that is to just position the gradient like so, and use the corner dots on the gradient itself and expand it so it fills up our entire background. Feel free to resize this entire project to fit the words that you wish to add a gradient to. Afterwards, we're going to go on the left-hand side again and choose text underneath elements. And after choosing text, we want to add a heading. Now, after adding a heading, and by the way, you can use any font you wish. For now, I'm going to use the very default Canva Sans font. Now, expand the heading until it fills up the rest of the screen. We're going to go with a somewhat large font size and make it bold to really make the words pop out. Once you're happy with the size of your text, on the upper right corner, click on the icon that looks like this one, and let's change the transparency from 100 and let's move it down to 60. Now, after changing the transparency, go ahead and click on Share on the upper right corner, and we're going to download a copy of this image. After downloading the image, on the left-hand side menu again, click on Upload, and we are going to re-upload the image we just downloaded. Now, after uploading the image that we just downloaded, what we want to do is add a new page to this project, and then we're going to add the image we uploaded to that second page. Now, feel free to resize the image as so, but once you're happy with how it looks, on the upper left corner of the editor itself, click on Edit Image. Now, after clicking Edit Image, what we're going to use is the Background Remover tool on the left-hand side like so. After selecting the Background Image Remover, as you can see, we are now left with the simple text of the tutorial we used. The reason this works is that we've made the letters in the previous picture transparent, so that the colors of the gradient background we chose will bleed through into the letters themselves. Now, once you're happy with how the image looks, we're going to edit image again, and this time we're going to click on Adjust. The tips I like to follow is to lower the brightness, increase the contrast, and increase the saturation. What this will do is really make the colors of the gradient beneath the letters really pop out. Once you're happy with how the editing of the colors look, feel free to save, and save another copy of just this second page. Now, after saving just the second page of the finalized gradient that we have, what we can do is be a little bit more extra, and let's add a third page, and this time let's choose a universe background. Now, let's re-upload the final second page of the gradient tutorial that we have, and we can add it to this third page with the awesome universe background. And there you go! Congratulations! You now know how to use Canva in order to make custom gradients with text. Now, here are a few examples of some gradient profiles that I've made for myself using the exact same steps that I used previously. As you can see, the options are quite endless, and you can use your imagination and endless creativity to really make anything you want. And now, we've reached the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any other comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. Like this video if you learned something new, and we'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye for now.